ginawa niyo? Yung lesson kay David. O, palakpakan natin si Ryzen. Part mo ng DVBS. Yung sa mga ginawa niyo. Nung sumasayaw daw, dancer kasi siya. What will yung, ano yung hindi mo makakalimutan sa DVBS? Yung games ba? Yung mga pinalaro sa inyo? Yung games daw. O, palakpakan natin si Andre.
And the way that they would go, so when they grow, they will not depart from it. Ako po ay lumaking Sunday schooler. At sa totoo lang po, tumatakas din ako sa Sunday school. At ang gusto ko lang sa Sunday school ay...
Kain.
Yan, ang totoo. Alam niyo po yung mga bata dito, pagkatapos ng Sunday school, tinatanong ko kung ano yung memory verse, hindi nila alam. Pero ang naaalala nila, pagkain. Parang ako rin po. Pero hindi ko akalain tatawagin ako ng Panginoon sa paglilingkod. Hindi natin alam. Baka isang araw, si John, taas ang kamay dyan. Taas ang kamay dyan. Taas ang kamay dyan. Ayan, maging pastor din, di ba? At least meron tayong na-develop na pastor sa lugar na to. Pero isa lang po masasabi ko, ang mga kabataan po, lagi namin tinitingnan as the future church. Sila po yung future na magiging tagapaglingkod ng Panginoon. Sila po yung magiging kasunod na magbibigay ng kapurihan sa Panginoon sa pamagitan ng kanilang paglilingkod. At wag po kayong mag-alala kapag nandito yung mga anak ninyo, sila po yung anak din namin. Kaya po, maraming salamat po dahil nakasama namin kayo and we would like to invite you on Sunday, kasama ng mga anak nyo, 10 o'clock po, sabay po kayo. Dito po yung mga may edad, dito po yung tayo mga adult, mag-uusap din tayo ng patungkol sa salita at kabutihan ng Panginoon. At the same time, yung mga bata naman doon, tuturuan din ng mga teachers nila ng patungkol din sa salita ng Panginoon. We plainly teach the Word of God, wala pong iba, basta yun lang po. We talk about life, we talk about the Word of God, we talk about the love of God, we talk about the principles of Jesus, and yun lang po yung objective natin, yun lang po yung agenda natin. We don't talk about politics, sa mga simpleng kwentuhan, nagkakausap po kami regarding opinion, but most of the time we talk about
you take my hand. There may be trials all around, but strength I found. You know my name, you know my heart. You've been here from the very start. You got my life, you will never leave. You are here with me. You know my name, you know my heart. You've been here from the very start. You got my life, you will never leave. You are here with me. Oh, my shepherd, I will follow you high and low. You are here, I know. Oh, my shepherd, I will trust in you high and low. For you are with me everywhere I go. There may be giants in the land. Oh Lord, you take my hand. There may be trials all around, but strength I found. Oh, you know my name, you know my heart. You've been here from the very start. You got my life, you will never leave. Lord, you are here with me. Oh, my shepherd, I will follow you high and low. You are here, I know. Oh, my shepherd, I
Ah, sige doon yung ikaw, yung walang ate pa, yung walang kasabay. Sige po, bye-bye. God bless. Okay na po kayo?
Thank you, Janelle.
Ready po kayo?
Bye-bye. Ingat-ingat.
Thank you po.
Oy, balik ka ha. Ikaw hanapin ka ng marami.
Wala pala